November 13, Reuters, Zheng Yuchuan, chairman and CEO of CATL, said in a recent interview that the company would consider building a factory in the United States if President-elect Donald Trump allows Chinese companies to invest in the U.S. electric vehicle supply chain. "We previously attempted to invest in the U.S., but the government rejected our plans. Nonetheless, we have always remained open to such opportunities," Zheng remarked. Both Trump's prior administration and the current Biden-led Democratic government have pursued protectionist trade policies, effectively barring Chinese electric vehicle and battery manufacturers from the U.S. market. According to Reuters, Trump, who is set to assume office, is expected to continue blocking imports of Chinese automobiles. However, in an August interview, he expressed willingness to offer incentives for foreign automakers, including Chinese firms, to build factories in the U.S. and hire American workers. Zheng's interest in expanding investments in the U.S. has been reignited by Trump's remarks, "I truly hope they adopt an open attitude toward investment in the future."